the company that I'm going to be talking about today does not have a minimum FICO requirement. That's a huge, huge deal. Well, hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Shy Bivia, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's episode because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get up to $100,000 in business funding, whether or not you are a newer business. In addition to that, the company that I'm going to be talking about today does not have a minimum FICO requirement, okay? And that's a huge, huge deal. But before we get into today's episode, if you are new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by and hitting that play button. My name is Shanice Bryant, aka Shy Bivia, and on this channel, I like to share side hustle, business, and lifestyle gems that can help you improve the quality of your life and business. So if you are looking to start a business, grow a business, just advance and improve the quality of your life, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. You don't want to miss any of my episodes because I stay dropping gems, okay? And as promised in one of my videos last week, I'll be giving away a $50 gift card. So at some point of this video, all right, you wanna stay tuned because at some point I'll be announcing the winner, all right? Now, the reason why I wanted to share this video as well is because I know a lot of you guys who are new to my channel and who have been tuning in and have been engaged on my channel are either looking to start a business or have started a business and you're just looking to get funded. I've seen a lot of your comments and I know how it is, with just starting a business. And firstly, I want to say you definitely want to explore your options as it relates to funding your business. There are a lot of grant programs that are also available today for small business owners, for minority business owners, for women business owners, for veterans, and the list just goes on. So definitely do your research and see what resources may be available for you, okay? You may be missing out on a lot of funding opportunities. Another thing that I want to mention is some of these bank programs, or if you're looking for investors or some loans that you may be interested in, they may require you to have a business plan, okay? Your business plan does not have to be anything too crazy or too deep, right? But you just need the step-by-step basics. Know a little bit about your competitor. Think about what is the problem that your business is solving. Think about your target market and stuff like that. But if you don't know how to figure out writing up a business plan, you can always hire somebody to help you write up a business plan tailored to your business. If you choose not to go that route, not to hire anybody, you can use a simple downloadable template that guides you as to what needs to be on your business plan, and you can edit it and tailor it to your business, all right? I have a very thorough business plan available that I've hired a professional to help me create. So if you're looking to have an official business plan, definitely check out the business plan guide that I have below. It may definitely help you get the funding that you need. Now let's get right into the video. Now, the company that I want to mention today is called Horizon Business Funding. Now, Horizon Business Funding is a financial company providing small business loan alternatives to businesses who do not qualify for bank loans and have bad credit. Now, what does this mean, right? So with Horizon Business Funding, they actually do not have any minimum credit or minimum FICO score requirements, all right? In addition to that, you can get approved for up to $100,000 in business funding. There's no setup fees, no draw fees, and there's also no monthly fees. So how this works is they basically give you what is called the Better Business Card and Flex Line, right? So unlike the Merchant Cash Advance, right, MCAs, your factor rate only applies to the funds that you access, all right? In other words, it's basically like using a credit card or a line of credit, but this will be given in a card form. So sort of like a credit card, but they don't classify it as a credit card. You'll be able to use this card in person. You'll be able to use the funds online, and you can request withdrawals at any time up to your limit. And those withdrawals will immediately be deposited into your bank account. So this is a very flexible funding resource. Now, in order to qualify though for Horizon Business, you will need to be in business, have an established business in the United States for at least 6 months. All right. So as long as you've been in business for 6 months, you also have a business bank account. All right. I stress that quite often, right? When you establish a business, you want to make sure that you are also opening a business bank account. All right. A bank account specifically designated for your business, right? That way you have more opportunities for funding. It just helps you to balance your books and all of that. When it's time to do your bookkeeping and taxes and all of that, it's just so much better to have things separated. In a lot of companies these days, they want to see like your bank statements or deposits coming into your bank account. So you definitely want to just open up a bank account once you've established a business. This is not hard to do at all. Once you've established your business entity and you have all of your articles and your EIN number, I've done videos on that before, possibly a certificate of good standing. Most states require that as well. And you can just establish your business bank account. Again, I have a step-by-step guide that you can follow that will help you with the steps of forming an actual business. Or you can also just check out my other videos, check out my business tips playlist of things to consider in order to establish an actual business. Now, in addition to having an actual business bank account, they also require that you have an average daily bank account balance of $1,000 or more. Okay, so the average has to be at least 1,000 or more on average. And the third thing that you need in order to qualify is that your bank account does not have more than 3 negative days in a month. So as long as you have those 3 things in order, you may be eligible for up to $100,000 with Horizon funding, all right? So again, you have to be in business for at least 6 months, all right, operating in the United States. For 2, you have to have a business bank account and it needs to have an average daily balance of at least $1,000 or more. And 3, your bank account should not be more than 3 days in negative in a month. And that's all the requirements you need to apply. They also state that, again, there's no minimum FICO required. Another thing to note as well, they specifically state that there is no hard credit pull and it does not affect your credit utilization ratio, all right? And that is big. And that's what differentiates business credit and personal credit. On the personal side, you know, if you max out your credit cards or credit limit, your credit can definitely take a hit. But with business credit, it does not matter, you know, your utilization ratio as long as you're making your payments on time. Some business loan does require personal guarantee as well, and it will show up also on your personal credit. But with this loan, it does not affect your utilization ratio and there's no hard credit pull. So they may do a soft pull to verify your identity, but they explicitly state that there's no hard credit pull as well. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, but you know, I just really started out my business and I don't have an average balance of $1,000. Listen, I totally get it, all right? Especially when you're just starting out, you may not be getting a lot of sales and bookings and all of that in the beginning. What you can do is maybe buckle down for the next couple months, okay? I've shared in several videos of side hustle gems that you can start today in the comfort of your own home, side businesses that you can start and all of that. So maybe for the next few months, you can really kind of hustle, you know, and get those deposits coming in for the next like 2 to 3 months so that you'll be eligible for all these other loans that may require you to have a certain deposit coming in on a monthly basis. Another thing that you can do is consider maybe, you know, paying yourself. If you have like a full-time job or something like that, consider paying yourself, right, from your full-time job, okay? And have that as income coming in for your business as well. You have a few options, right? There's a lot of few things that you can possibly do in order to start having a certain amount coming in, at least for like, you know, 2 to 3 months. All hope is not lost if your business does not currently have an average daily balance of 1,000 or more. I've shared other videos as well in regards to getting funding for your business. Okay, it's not the end of the world. And, you know, if your business does not have an average daily balance of 1,000 right now, it doesn't mean that it's always going to be that way. Right? The goal here is to grow your business and to scale your business. But I want to share and provide as much valuable information as possible to help you thrive in your business, okay? Because this is your year of abundance, all right? Whatever you have been writing down, whatever you have been dreaming about and envisioning, and you know, whatever you've put on your vision board, it's going to come to pass, okay? This is your year of abundance, but you also have to believe that. You have to speak it into existence as well. It is already yours. God created us all to be abundant, and I truly believe that. You know, it really starts with our mind, and sometimes we tell ourselves that we aren't meant to be abundant, or we aren't meant to have the desires of our hearts, or live in the community that we want to live in, or, you know, travel to the country that we want to travel to. Sometimes we tell ourselves that, you know, we weren't meant to travel to this place or live in that place or drive this vehicle or whichever. You know, we are meant to be abundant people. We're meant to have an overflow, right? So that we can not only help ourselves but also help others, and I truly believe that. I know this video was about Horizon business funding and all of that, but I also want to remind you that you are capable of everything, and it really starts with your mind. So I just want you to take a step back and think about what you've been telling yourself. Really think about what you've been feeding into your mind. Again, it all starts within the mind. All right, so I just wanted to encourage you guys really, really quickly. And I do believe that a lot of you guys who watch my channel, who watch my videos, you mean business, all right? That is why you have been watching my channel, watching my videos, because you are ready to step into something greater. And that's why you're here watching this video right now. Anyway, back to Horizon Business Funding. Definitely check it out. Do your own research. See if it may be for you. The process is very simple. You'll have access to your funds within a few minutes, once you are approved. The requirements are actually pretty decent compared to a lot of other business funding companies out there, especially banks. All right, so this is a lot more lenient. If you're looking for funding for your business, definitely check them out. All right, now as promised, it's time for the giveaway. All right, I have my names here at this little hat. I don't know why I chose this hat, but I'll be selecting a random name of some of you guys who have commented on my last video, one of my last videos, all right, about business funding as well. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. But as promised, let's see who is the lucky winner. Okay, and the winner is Kimberly Hunt McWhorter. I hope I said your name correctly, girl. Kimberly Hunt, okay? But Kimberly, you are the lucky winner of a $50 gift card, all right? Be sure to message me on Instagram at The Fly Shy Girl. Again, that's The Fly Shy Girl. Message me on Instagram so that we can connect and I can send you your $50 gift card. Congratulations. I'm super, super excited for you. Listen, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all right? And the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And besides, you don't want to miss out on any of my giveaways, okay? The bigger my channel gets, the more giveaways possibly that I'll be doing, all right? I believe that sharing is caring, and also to show my appreciation to you guys as well. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, all right? And leave me a comment below so that YouTube knows that you like this video and they'll recommend this video to other individuals who are looking for funding in their business, looking to grow their business, start their business, and whichever, okay? So definitely go ahead and hit that like button, all right? We need the YouTube world to know that you guys like these videos, all right? And so that I know that you guys like these videos and that you want me to create more videos like these. But anyway, beautiful people, if you stuck around until the end of this video, thanks for watching. Again, it's your girl Shy Bivia. It was an absolute pleasure. Let's continue to grow those businesses and get financially healthy together. And I'll see you guys later. Be blessed. Bye.